Xiaomi is coming for Apple's crown, and it isn't hiding it. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max arrives with a feature no iPhone dares to touch, a magic back screen that transforms the phone into something more than a slab of glass. Unlike the small cover displays on foldable flip phones, Xiaomi's secondary screen doesn't need hinges or gimmicks. It shows calls, controls music, displays travel updates, runs countdowns, and doubles as a rear camera selfie viewfinder. Lu Weibing, Xiaomi's president, even posted a side-by-side comparison video with Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, rejecting claims that Xiaomi is copying Apple's design. He points back to the Mi 11 Ultra as inspiration, not Cupertino's newest flagship. Still, the resemblance is impossible to ignore, and that's exactly what makes this clash so compelling. The Xiaomi 17 series, consisting of the 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, will officially launch in China on September 25th at 7 p.m. local time. Each model carries Leica-tuned cameras, continuing the partnership that has lifted Xiaomi's photography credentials in recent years. The base model introduces a sleeker rectangular camera module, while the Pro and Pro Max push design boundaries with the integrated rear display. This isn't just style, it's functionality that Apple has never offered. The real headline is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Xiaomi secured an exclusive deal to launch with the chip, leaving competitors waiting until after October to release devices with the same silicon. That means the 17 Pro Max will enjoy a performance monopoly at launch, and with Xiaomi's HyperOS 3 optimizing efficiency, the company is aiming for both speed and smoother performance. Battery life is another battleground, and Xiaomi comes prepared. The 17 Pro Max houses a 6,300 mAh battery, significantly larger than the iPhone 17 Pro Max 5,088 mAh. For users who live on their phones, that difference could be a deciding factor. The tri-camera setup, powered by Leica's expertise, pairs perfectly with the magic back screen's ability to frame selfies with the main sensors, eliminating the compromises of front cameras. But Xiaomi isn't only competing on hardware, it's reshaping branding strategy, replacing the Ultra label with Pro Max, directly mirroring Apple's naming convention. The company denies skipping the 16 branding just to stay aligned with Apple, but the pattern is difficult to ignore. At the same time, the bold design choices give Xiaomi a personality Apple has avoided: flashy, playful, and unapologetically different. Best of all, Xiaomi is keeping prices aggressive. The 17 Pro is expected between $700 and $850, while the 17 Pro Max will land between $850 and $1,000. Pre-orders are already live in China, and with the official launch just days away on September 25th, Xiaomi is signaling a clear message. This is its strongest attempt yet to stand shoulder to shoulder with Apple and maybe even edge ahead.